Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this trunk organizer that you can put in the trunk of your car, your SUV, your truck, or the backseat of your truck, things like that, because it is super compact, as you can see over here, but it's really big because you can unfold it and have this whole thing just for you to put everything that you go when you go, for example, to the grocery store, or when you're going to out for shopping, or if you're going out to friends and family, or picnic, camping, hiking, just name it. You can put plenty of things there. But also this one comes with a surprise, which is right here, a folding or foldable cooler. This cooler is gonna be really cool just to put a lot of cans, a lot of milk, yogurt, ice cream. With ice cream, I don't know, it may melt a little bit, but everything else, this one is insulated, so you can put it inside. Let's take a closer look. So here you're gonna find right here the cooler, which you can always leave in your car if you want, or you can just fold it and put it inside of that bag. But if not, you have this cooler just for getting cold drinks in your car at all times. You know, when it's getting hot, may be better to leave the coolers right here on the kind of like drinks in the cooler and not in the car, because they may kind of like boom and just stain your whole thing. But then you have this over here, which you can put with the strap, and you're gonna find this really nice cooler for on the go things. And then this one right here is gonna be your right here organizer that you're gonna put all these parts are gonna be out both things, the dividers, and also gonna be the hard covers, which are gonna be the part that you're gonna put on top, kind of like right here at the bottom part. So when you put this, you're gonna see that these are gonna be the dividers. These ones right here are gonna be your kind of like support down there. Once that you're done with that, you put the other one. There are gonna be three of them. You push them, and that's how it's gonna look. Right here, it's gonna look really good with the kind of like the support that you need. And then you have the dividers that you're gonna do. Is gonna put them just like this. Check this out. This is gonna be one of the dividers with the Velcro. Go inside, and this is gonna be the other one, just like this. So that way you're gonna have dividers within the rooms, which I think it is pretty nice. And it comes with three of them. And right here you're gonna find a pocket, which is also gonna be the place that you're gonna put the cooler. Once that is folded, you're gonna put it in here. If you need the straps to make sure that this one won't move, you have them inside of this pocket with the Velcro. And then on the side, you're gonna find also mesh pockets, which are gonna be really good to have, as well as cramping this one, putting in a folding position, and using the clips over here to put it in the folding. And then you're not gonna have any issues with this one being super compact. I like it. Super nice to organize your grocery shopping experience, and of course every other thing that you need.